Backache is commonly experienced by the middle-aged or elderly population. Improper diet, lack of physical activity, muscle tension, poor posture, arthritis, and excess physical strain can trigger this health problem. Backache can make it extremely difficult for a person to carry out his/her day-to-day activities. These natural remedies can prove to be very helpful in reducing its impact. Apply some ginger paste on the affected region, followed by eucalyptus oil. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds which gives instant relief from back pain. Bathing with warm water that contains 15 to 20 drops of eucalyptus oil is also known to offer some relief from lower back pain. Boil 10 to 12 basil leaves in a cup of water until the water evaporates to half. Allow it to cool down to room temperature, then add a pinch of salt to it. Drink this syrup once or twice a day if you have mild or severe back pain. Herbal oil massage helps in muscle relaxation and gives instant relief from the pain. You can use a mixture of several herbal oils like coconut, eucalyptus, almond, sesame, mustard, etc. Heat the oil until warm and massage it gently on the aching area of your back. Honey is blessed with several healing properties. Consuming 1 tablespoon of honey with a glass of warm water every day is known to be very helpful in relieving backache. A special kind of honey named Manuka, when massaged gently on the lower back for a period of 2 to 3 weeks, can also treat this problem effectively. Eating 2 to 3 cloves of garlic every morning on an empty stomach has proven to be extremely beneficial in preventing back pain. Heat coconut oil with mustard, sesame oil on low heat. Add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic to it and fry the garlic until it turns brown. Now strain the oil and allow it to reach room temperature. Massage your back gently with this oil, leave it on for some time and bathe in warm water. Turmeric is used since ages for treating various illnesses, including back pain. Prepare a paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk. Rub this paste gently on the lower back area for 5 to 8 minutes for a period of 1 to 2 weeks until the pain subsides. Drinking aloe vera juice every day is another effective method of reducing the impact of back pain. You can also try rubbing fresh aloe vera gel on the lower back for instant relief from the pain.